Sri Guru Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Through this we had learned about hydraulic press during last class. Now we are going to learn about density. We have to know what is density. Let me explain you now. Just take a book, okay? Take a book. If you keep it somewhere else on the table, it will occupy a space, isn't it? If this is a book means, it will occupy some space. We can call that is a volume, okay? The same volume, just I am filling with a cotton. Okay, to know density I am explaining you now. Okay, take a book. If you keep somewhere else, it will occupy a space, that is called as a volume. To the same volume I am filling with the other place with the cotton. Okay, now when we compare the mass of this book and cotton, if you take the mass of a book is higher than the mass of a cotton. Why? Because the molecules which is present, okay, it is made the solid molecules, no, all the molecules are closely packed. So number of molecules will be more in the book than in the cotton. Here the cotton is packed very loosely, so that the molecules is being very free to flow that. So due to that the number of molecules is less in the cotton. Okay, so molecules are closely packed in the book, so due to that the mass of the book is higher than the mass of the cotton. Okay, so the density depends on mass by volume. This is the formula. So density depends on mass by volume. So we are learning about the fluids. Now we are going to compare the mass of two liquids. Here there are two conical flasks. Both are same volume. Okay, here 250 ml of flask, another same 250 ml of flask. One conical flask is filled with the kerosene liquid and another one is filled with the water. So comparing both the liquid now. So when you take a mass of the kerosene, okay, along with the volume of this flask, what would be? It could be 280 gram. So this is the mass of kerosene. Now if you take a mass of water means it would be 330 gram. Okay, so this is the mass of water. Okay, so mass of kerosene and mass of water we have calculated now. So with this we are going to find. So to understand better, so along with the conical flask, along with this volume of this only we have measured. So just take the flask, the mass of a flask is flask is 80 gram. If you consider the mass of a flask, this flask is 80 gram. From the mass of kerosene, from the mass of water, if you minus that, you will get the exact value of mass of kerosene and water. So we'll now do minus of 80 from the kerosene. So what is the mass of over here? 280. 280 minus 80, you will get the 200 gram. So this is the mass of kerosene. Then if you minus the mass of water, so what is the mass of water? 330 gram. So minus the flask weight. So you will get 250 gram. So this is the mass of mass of water. So now we found what is the mass and what is the mass of kerosene and water. So we know already it is a volume is 250 ml. So mass of kerosene, mass of water with the volume of this, if you apply along with the formula density equal to mass by volume, we will come to know between this the density depends on mass by volume. Just let me do that now. First we'll take a water. Okay, water density is mass by volume. So 250 is the mass of water and volume is the 250. So you will get the 1 gram centimeter cubic value. This is the density of water. If you take a density of kerosene, apply the formula. So 200 divided by 250 ml, you will get 0.8 gram per centimeter cube. So 1 gram centimeter cube or 0.8 gram centimeter cube. So with this we can come to know density of a substance is depends on completely mass by volume of any given substance. Okay, so even density, what is the SI unit of density? No, SI unit of density. So mass can be measured by kilogram, okay, and the volume can be measured by meter. Okay, so that's kilogram per meter cube. This is the SI unit of density. Even this density can represent by symbol of rho. This is how we can find how do we can find the density. So what is density means? Density is completely depends on mass per unit volume of any given substance. That's all. We'll meet you on next class, children. Thank you. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.